that I'm working on, and I'm going to show you that just to kind of give you a little input. This is not where it's going to actually end up going, but one of the things that I've been seeing a lot on is these coaches that are out there are pushing, creating content, but they want you, they're wanting to create kind of large content, books about different things. So I'm creating a new content piece for create a new book. And what you can do is go in there and you can give it a description of what you want. Say, I want to come in here, start a new one. I want to write a book about a particular topic. And maybe, in Bolivar, Missouri, I live in Bolivar, Missouri. Maybe I want the first-time home buyers essential navigating Bolivar, Missouri, or top 10 hidden costs of homeowners in Bolivar, Missouri. So it takes where you're located at and just kind of gives you some ideas, but you can pick something, top 10 questions asked before selling in Bolivar. You can give some additional stuff. How many chapters do you want? How many sections in each chapter do you want? And then you click on next, and it will take you through building an outline. It will build the content. It will build the cover and author information, and then you can go through and review it. Now, I've already got one. It takes a little bit of time to go through that process, but this kind of shows you. This one was the Insider Guide to Selling Your Home Fast in Bolivar, Missouri. Understanding the Bolivar real estate, goes through some different chapters and stuff. You click on next and it will start building each one of these. It'll show you the content. It'll let you edit that content. You can then create images or load images, and then it'll create the almost create the entire thing for you. You can then paste that into Google Doc, make any final image changes and stuff like that, export it as a PDF. Now you have a lead magnet that's high end, it's good content, and very focused on your area or whatever topic it is that you've chosen. It doesn't have to be this, but it goes through and it makes some really, really good material and very deep content. So something that you can then turn around and put on your website as a lead magnet or whatever else you want to do.
And you can do those in Spanish, right?
Absolutely, yes. You can choose what language that you want and go through the process. Let's see. Let me see if I can find a.
You can put there 10 things, 10 steps to buy properties on the beach in Cancun.
Yes, I mean anything like that you'd want to do, and then it thinks about what would be great topics for somebody that wants to know about this. And it gives you those topics, and then it breaks down each of those into different chapters and sections and stuff. So it really, really makes some good stuff. And let me see if I can find one that I already did here.
I have to buy 3 houses in 3 years.
Absolutely, that's a good one. There you go. And I bet you can even give some good information on that as well. Okay.
Rebecca, you have an assignment.
This is something that a lot of coaches and stuff are talking about. And, without naming any of them, some of them, what they want you to do is they want you to take that content and then make it into a bound book and then give those out at different times as well. But, for lead magnets, free.
That's what I saw you holding a book and early on yes.
So this is our book. This is Our Best Workflow Secrets. We're working on volume 2 of updated version, so you might wait before buying it. This one does have information about our previous database system, and we're
Email
trying
me
to.
the PDF so I can translate it in Spanish, and I put my picture there.
There you go.
Yeah,
Hey.
yeah. You know, that book is it predates AI, which is kind of like a weird nuance to think about. But because of that, version 2, I think we're going to spend a decent amount of time trying to do two things. One, we're going to try and abstract some of these concepts so that they're not product specific, but more framework focused. And then two, really diving into how we can help through the workflow secret of using AI. So